Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time, Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad 2025. So how to fix this issue? Let's get started with the video. If you are getting this kind of issue, just go to the home page and after that you need to go to the settings. Just make sure that you are connected to the stable internet connection. If you are connected to any of the Wi-Fi connection, the connectivity should be strong. You can also switch to the mobile data. Go back and click on mobile services. Here you can switch to the cellular data if your Wi-Fi is not working. The next thing which you can do is you need to scroll down, go to the general settings of your phone, and you need to just make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. Click on VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, you can disconnect it from here. Again, after this, what you need to do, you need to go back and in this general settings, when you will scroll up, here you will find option of software update. Just make sure that your iOS is updated to the latest version. Click on this automatic updates. And once you click on that, just toggle on this iOS update button, so it will automatically install the update for you. Whenever you will get a new update, your iOS will get a new update. The next thing is you can again go back, and this time you need to scroll down till the end. Maybe the issue is the date and time of the phone is not correct. You can click on it and set it to automatically. I would always prefer to set the date and time automatically, so it will detect your time zone and set the correct time for you. After that, what you can do, go back and again in the general settings, scroll down till the end. There will be an option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Here you will get all the reset options. You need to click on reset all settings. So all the files and data which are in your mobile phones that are not going to get reset, it will help you if there will be any network issue, keyboard issue, or any kind of issue. So once it's been reset, you can again go back and create your Apple account here, and might be the issue will get resolved this time. So this is how you can fix the issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.